आप खाली डायरेक्टर पे निर्भर नहीं कर सकते कि वो आपको एक एक चीज़ बैठ के समझाएं. आपकी एक अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए एक सीन को पढ़ने के बाद. और फिर उसको आप अपने डायरेक्टर के साथ और उमदा बनाते हैं. I never had the opportunity to really go out and train, though I've been to Adi Shakti. I've trained under great masters in theatre. एक एक्टर के लिए एक सीन का सुर समझना मेरे लिए मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
Absolutely.
Hi, this is Anupriya Goenka and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
I think you have some very crucial scenes with Sajjad as well. When Sajjad tells you the backstory,
right,
it makes his character very human,
right,
in a way. And I think the best part that Ali has done is that, in spite of the fact that giving him that human touch, he doesn't make him like a victim. The fact is that no matter what may have happened with him,
right,
his approach still was something which was gruesome, and it was something
right,
that was you can't justify that, which was, I think, the best part that he did as a director. So how are those experiences? Because the fact is that even when you are listening to him, you are in a way getting affected by his story, but you're still having that pragmatic side to your personality. You're keeping that alive. You're still finding ways of how to escape, how to just get away from the situation in an intelligent manner.
Right. So that's a very interesting scene, as you just pointed out, because there are so many things happening with Poorna at that point in time. She's in captivity. There are terrorists around her who've taken over the hospital, who've taken over the rest of the nurses their lives are in danger, and she's sort of responsible for everybody.
Absolutely.
And she has to keep her nerves intact, while undergoing that fear and terror. And now she's saved the terrorist. She has a hand in that. He could have easily died, but somewhere, if you look at it in hindsight, she's instrumental in saving his life and letting this happen as well. But she chose the higher road because it's her profession, which she justifies and she says as well. And that scene between the two of them, so there were so many emotions running. She's scared of this guy. She doesn't like him. She has a despicable sort of intent towards him. But once he starts narrating his story, she kind of sees the human side. And because I believed that a girl like Poorna, she's very high on emotions. She's very sensitive to pain. So a part of her was reaching out. But then suddenly she saw that completely cruel side to him, where he could, just when she was about to reach out to him and understand where he was coming from, he kind of gave orders to
his colleague.
Shoot her
Your colleague.
And that's when she could just not understand that what kind of a human can do this out of
no matter what.
Exactly. Here he was saying there were reasons that he was mentioning कि मैंने इसलिए ऐसा किया या ये मैंने पाथ इसलिए चूज किया. But वहीं तुम किसी निर्दोष को एकदम आराम से मार रहे हो for no reason at all. So just to incite or fear. तो वहाँ her entire world, her make-believe system just comes crashing down of how cruel can a human being be. So वो एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सीन था क्योंकि काफ़ी वेरिड इमोशंस थे और एक अलग ग्राफ था उस सीन का. She went through couple of things in that same small scene, so that kind of was quite an experience.
I think there were several scenes. Like one was when he tells her about the 9/11 part, and then the second part when he just orders the shooting of the friend, and even when she's just being complicit with Salman and the entire gang. So there were several scenes which were I think quite interesting. And the interesting part is that आपका ये पहला major outing था.
जी.
And you still make your presence felt, and you don't come across as someone who's एक natural element कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर था, and everyone tends to has noticed that, and you've got good positive reviews as well.
Thank you.
Right. So but as you were telling me a short while back, you've had like not a regular in a way life, because आप काफी हद तक जो आपने you were involved with your father's business, and there were other things that you were involved in as well, apart from when people aspire to dream, and you were busy with other responsibilities and duties. Do you feel a sense of freedom now that you've had certain you've fulfilled certain responsibilities, and now you can follow your dream and your passion?
Well, yes and no, because my responsibilities still
And has that
carry on.
experiences have those experiences made you like a better actor in
Yeah,
terms of more
yeah.
sensitive or?
Totally. I wouldn't be able to say how good I am as an actor, but they have definitely made me a better person. They've definitely added on to the actor that I am today.
जी.
I feel क्योंकि मेरी इतनी कोई formal training नहीं रही है. I never had the opportunity to really go out and train. Though I've been to Adi Shakti, I've trained under great masters in theatre. But उतना details में मैं कभी नहीं कर पाई जितना मैं उसको जीना चाहती
करना
थी.
चाहती थी.
लेकिन thankfully मैंने ज़िंदगी से बहुत सीखा है.
हाँ, वो important है.
वो ही सबसे ज़्यादा मेरी एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस रही है, चाहे वो मेरे बिजनेस में रही हो, चाहे वो कॉर्पोरेट्स में रही हो, चाहे आई फेस सम डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस इन लाइफ, आई हैड इमोशनल सिचुएशंस टू गो थ्रू एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड दैट हैज़ रियली काइंड ऑफ helped me in understanding complexities and emotions and being able to visualize a scene. एक एक्टर के लिए एक सीन का सुर समझना मेरे लिए मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
Absolutely.
तो और कई बारी आप खाली डायरेक्टर पे निर्भर नहीं कर सकते कि वो आपको एक एक चीज़ बैठ के समझाएं. आपकी एक अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए एक सीन को पढ़ने के बाद.
Absolutely.
और फिर उसको आप अपने डायरेक्टर के साथ और उम्दा बनाते हैं. तो उस केस में मुझे लगता है कि जो भी मेरे लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं, दे गिव मी द फ्रीडम or the capability to grow from one point to the other. They've increased my graph, so I can
absolutely.
perceive situations which I actually haven't been through also.
हाँ.
But I can relate to them.
Visualize that, maybe
जी.
empathize with them.
जी.
Because the important part is that it should come across as natural. जो आपकी body language है, it should come across as fluid.
Right.
It should not be in any way whatsoever that it's looking
Stiff.
fidgety or like practiced.
Right.
और हाथ कैसे रखना है और all those things that
True.
and I'm saying entirely as a movie watcher because आप देख के भी बहुत सी चीजें आपको you get to understand that
But
this
these
is
are very minute observations.
yeah.
Like not everybody observes that.
No, उसमें अब अपनी तारीफ को से क्या करें, उसमें जो भी है that
तो
has
मैंने कर
been there done that. अनुप्रिया जी, in fact मुझे एक उड़ती मुझे खबर मुझे और भी मिली है.
हाँ बताइए.
तो मैंने सोचा मैं पूछ लूँ आपसे. That was उड़ती खबर मिली.
जी.
You are apparently part of Padmavati as well.
जी.
What exactly are you doing in Padmavati?
I'm playing Shahid Kapoor's first wife, Nagmati. That is Rawal Ratan Singh's first wife, Nagmati.
Okay, and end of story.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so we are all of us are looking forward to Padmavati and or Padmavat as they're calling it now. So whatever.
Hi, this is Anupriya Goenka and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.